Hello students, welcome to this ICT Grade 7 learning session on practical problem solving and programming. In this video, you will learn about what is problem solving, what is programming, why it is a good thing to develop skills in problem solving and programming. We will also look at some examples of programming languages such as Logo and Scratch. We will also perform some quick tests and finally do a recap. What is problem solving? Problem solving refers to the steps we need to perform in order to solve a problem. It is not the solution in itself, but rather how we arrive to the solution which is important. The first thing to consider in problem solving is to break down a problem into smaller parts which can be solved more easily. For example, if you want to calculate the area of a square, we need to break down into smaller and easier to solve parts, such as input the length, then we need to calculate the area, and finally output the area. To be able to input the length, we need to measure the length of the square. What is programming? Programming refers to the use of a program in order to write codes to perform specific tasks. A programming language is a software that is used to write programs. The person who writes computer programs is called a programmer. Examples of programming languages are Pascal, Visual Basic, HTML script, C++. These languages are used in grades 11 and 13. For grade 7 students, you will use two simple languages, namely Logo and Scratch. Why is it important to do programming and problem solving? When you study ICT and computer science in higher classes, you will surely come across problem solving and programming. It will allow you to do more interesting things as you grow up. Problem solving and programming enables you to do further studies in information technology, multimedia and web creation, internet and networking, software engineering. We will now do some exercises which will help you remember what we have done so far. Quick test 1. A programming language is A. Used to write programs. B. Used to talk to programmers. C. Used to create multimedia files. The answer is A. A programming language is used to write programs. Quick test 2. Visual Basic is an example of a programming language. True or false? The answer is true. Quick test number 3. The breaking down of problems into easier to solve tasks is called information technology. True or false? False. The breaking down of problems into easier to solve tasks is a technique to do problem solving. Quick test number 4. Which of the following is an example of a programming language used in grade 7? A. Microsoft PowerPoint. B. Logo. C. Microsoft Word? The answer is B. Logo is a programming language used in grade 7. Quick test number 5. Programming is an important part of computing. True or false? The answer is true. Now we will do some recap. Problem solving refers to the steps we do in order to solve a problem. We must break down a problem into smaller parts which can be solved more easily. Programming is the use of a program in order to write codes to do specific tasks. This program is called a programming language. The person who writes computer programs is called a programmer. We have reached the end of this program. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.